Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Disney Store Marvel Select Spider-Man No Way Home Spider-Man Special Collector's Edition action figure. Ages 8 and up. These from Disney Store. Here's the bag. Let's open it up. There's other figures you can get. Here's Spider-Man out of the packaging. Oh, I broke it. You can move his arms, you can move his head, and you can move his legs. And you can spin him at the waist. Spider-Man is a cool character that has all points of articulation and all details around the toy. Now, you probably know how many times that we had to tell you I like Spider-Man. He's one of my favorite characters of all time. And you know how many times that we have to tell you I like Spider-Man. You could be that difficult. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching our unboxing of the Disney Store Marvel Select Spider-Man No Way Home Spider-Man Special Collector's Edition action figure. Bye!